Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am playing with the super cute stamp set by Jessica Lynn Original Stamps. This is Brentwood Goes Camping, and I just had so much fun creating this slimline card. This card measures 3.5 by 8.5, and I love it because I can fit all the images onto one card. I created a ground here using torn paper, and I like the organic look that it gives. I'm using my Distress inks today. So I used ground espresso for the ground, and I colored right over the images. I knew I could cover that up with my Copic markers. So I am just coloring in my images with my Copics right over that ink. I knew when I saw the stamp set I wanted to do two things. In my first video, I created a teepee card, which looks like a tent, so it was perfect for the stamp set. I'll have it linked at the end of the video if you want to check that out. Second, I knew I wanted to create a glow from the fire pit. So I actually took my yellow marker and mapped out where I wanted the glow on the characters. That way I would remember not to color over that part with my regular colors. So you'll see that in the coloring. I'm going to play some music so you can watch the coloring. I'll touch base on some of the points, and then I'll meet you back on the other side. There I was just creating some texture on the ground by dotting on my Copic marker. I used a few different color browns to add a variation in color, and now I'm getting out a mask that I created from typing paper, and I am just gonna make a little bit of a glow coming from this fire pit. So I'm taking a yellowish orange color. I think I took scattered straw, and I'm just going over the top. On the second one, I noticed that I didn't really need to mask it out. I just went over the fire, and that worked out just as well. So here's another mask, and I am just coloring up the sky different colors. So we've got a blue and a purple. Wilted Violet and Blueprint Sketch, I just go back and forth with these two colors. And then I will take out my black soot and go around the edges of the whole project. I think that really gives it a dramatic look. Here I take a yellow color and I'm just mapping out where I want the glow on my characters. I'm doing that first so I don't forget not to color over those parts, which I have done before. So that really helps me prepare for the scene. I'm also taking a color that looks similar to the background color and cleaning up any of my mistakes. When I used the mask, sometimes it leaves a little white border where the mask wasn't laid down properly. So all I do is just take a Copic marker and fix that up. You can't even tell the difference. Now my favorite part is to add the stars. I love using the white Jelly Roll pen. It gives it such a dramatic look. I tried to add some shiny stars as well, so I like the look of that. Adding the moon was an afterthought, so I did stamp it and then colored it in with my white Jelly Roll pen, and that worked out. So I think this card is turning out really cute. I love the dramatic scene with the glow and the night sky with the stars. Next, I'm going to highlight these images here with the white Jelly Roll pen, and I just dot on some white detail there. It helps the image to pop. I really do enjoy doing that. Next, I'm breaking out one of my favorite tools. I've had this tool since I started crafting. I love it because it can tear up the paper to make it look like a worn piece of paper. And it's a lot safer than using your scissors. If you don't have this tool and you're interested, I do have it linked in my Amazon store, and I'll have that link in the description box for you. So I go around my paper, and I love how it looks all roughed up, and it's a great way if you don't cut your paper straight. Don't throw away your project or anything or your piece of paper. Just use the tool and no one will ever know. So I'm using liquid adhesive here to adhere my card down. And then I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer to the fire pit. Gotta have a little bling. And that will complete my card. Stay tuned for the final photos at the end. And that's a wrap, guys. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys!